morning, students. This is your English class. Now we are studying chapter 1 in your English grammar book. Chapter 1 in your English grammar book is about the topic the noun case. Students, in the previous class we have already studied about nominative case and objective case in detail. Today in this class we are going to study about vocative case and possessive case in detail. So students, let's start. Number 3, vocative case. Now ask, what is a vocative case? When a noun is used for addressing someone, it is said to be in the vocative case. When a noun is used for addressing someone, it is said to be in the vocative case. जब किसी सेंटेंस में किसी नाउन को यूज किया जाता है किसी पर्सन को एड्रेस करने के लिए, तब उसको हम नाउन का वोकेटिव केस बोलते हैं. ओके, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग दिस इन हिंदी. जब किसी सेंटेंस में किसी नाउन को यूज किया जाता है किसी पर्सन को एड्रेस करने के लिए, तब उसको वोकेटिव केस ऑफ नाउन बोला जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल. कम ऑन गर्ल्स. इन दिस सेंटेंस गर्ल्स. Girls is noun here. And when I am telling come on girls, I am addressing to the noun girls. That's why this is the vocative case of noun. Okay? Come on girls. In this sentence, girls is noun. And when I am telling come on girls, I am addressing to the noun girls. That's why this is the vocative case of noun. हाँ? इस सेंटेंस में come on girls, girls noun है, और जब मैं बोल रही हूँ come on girls, तब मैं ये noun girls को एड्रेस कर रही हूँ, इसीलिए ये है vocative case of noun. Now see number 4, possessive case. Number 4 is possessive case. Okay. What is a possessive case? When the form of a noun is changed to show ownership or possession, is said to be in possessive case. Okay? When the form of a noun is changed to show ownership or possession, it is said to be in the possessive case. जब एक नाउन का फॉर्म चेंज हो जाता है किसी पॉजेशन या किसी ओनरशिप को शो करने के लिए, तब उसको हम पॉजेसिव केस ऑफ नाउन बोलते हैं. ओके. जब किसी नाउन का फॉर्म चेंज हो जाता है किसी ओनरशिप या किसी पॉजिशन को शो करने के लिए, तब उसको हम पॉजेसिव केस ऑफ नाउन बोलते हैं. ओके. हियर वी हैव टू रिमेम्बर वन थिंग, दैट इज वी हैव to add apostrophe s with the noun when we use the possessive case of noun. Okay? When we use the possessive case of noun, we have to add apostrophe s with the noun. ठीक है. जब हम नाउन का पॉजेसिव केस यूज करेंगे तब नाउन के साथ apostrophe s ऐड करनी है. ठीक है. Now see the example. A child's voice. In this sentence the noun is a child. है ना. और we use apostrophe s with the noun child. ठीक है. और हम इधर apostrophe s यूज किए हैं noun child के साथ. ठीक है. So in this sentence a child's voice. Whose voice is this? The answer is this is a child's voice. है ना. So the owner of the voice is a child. है ना. That's why this is the possessive case of noun. Okay, because it shows the ownership of the voice. The noun a child shows the ownership of the voice. है ना. That's why this is the possessive case of noun. In the other way, we can say voice is a property or possession. So whose possession is this? a child's position is this, है ना? So it shows the position, that's why we can say it the possessive case of noun. So students, you have to study in detail properly about the noun case, then we will do the exercise work given in this chapter.